Hi guys and welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a Try Beauty box for the month of February. Super excited for this month. If you guys don't know what Try Beauty box is, it's a bi-monthly makeup subscription box you can get for $35, and it comes with 5 full-size products, which is a really good deal. Number one, you're only doing it every other month, and the value is always over $100. This month, Try Beauty box collaborated with Porcelain. She is a beauty YouTuber on YouTube and Instagram. So if you want to check her out, I will leave her information in the description box, and I will also leave the Try Beauty information so you can sign up if you're interested. But yeah, let's just jump right in. So we're going to start off with the lovely face masks. So this comes with 2. Everybody gets 2, and these retail for $6. So I actually need to try these out because I heard they were good. They came in a recent box, but I haven't got to try them out, and I'm currently breaking out a little. So it comes with a Restore, Nourish, and Relax, and then it has a Detox Diva. Next up, we have a IB Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick, and I got the color Flirt. I did try it on. I don't have it on right now, but I did swatch it for you guys, and I must say that this formulation is very creamy, even though it's like matte. But I like how it feels on my lips. It doesn't like dry out or crack or anything. So that retails for $12, and they have the color Berry or Naked, but I got the color Flirt. So, and next up we have a Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Face Oil, and I love Wander Beauty's face products. They have really good products. This retails for $48. And my favorite thing about this is the little dropper it has. I did try this on yesterday. So I believe you put this on before your foundation. Let me see. What does it say? It says, a signature blend of 8 powerful yet lightweight beauty oils that instantly restore skin's youth, balance, and glow. So I believe this is like a primer slash face oil. So you could probably put this on before bed or before your foundation. Next up, we have a Suva Beauty Flawless Eye Set. So these are a mini flat angled brush, a mini tapered, a mini angled, and a mini round. I like the rose gold, and these are perfect for detailed work, especially like if you want to get on the inner corner or down here. Let me take them out of the box and show you guys. So these are pretty cute. These retail for $30, and Suva Beauty has some really good brushes. So I'm excited to use those. Next up was the most exciting thing that I was excited for because I knew this was coming. It is the Suva Beauty Block Party Palette. As you can tell, I did use this on my eyes. It has a little mirror, and these are what the shades look like. Super duper pigmented. This retails for $30. Now I did want to mention, if you already have this subscription, you're obviously getting this palette, but if you are just signing up, since they sold out in that palette, they are adding the Saffron. Is that how you say it? They're adding the Saffron palette, which actually retails for $35. So you're getting a more expensive palette. And these are what the colors look like. They're super nice. Very pretty. Very pretty shimmery colors. I like this one. I use this for my inner corner though. So that was everything in the box. Like I said, it comes with 5 full-size products. So in total, this value is over $100. That wraps up this video. be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know how you feel about this month's box. And we will see you guys next time. Bye guys.